Please read the installation guide carefully and make the following preparations before starting. To install your hardwood SPC floor, you need the following standard tools. Make sure that the floor base is flat, clean, firm, and dry. Check subfloor flatness. The maximum height difference of the subfloor within any length of 2 meters should not exceed 2 millimeters. If the subfloor cannot meet this standard, leveling is required. The concrete subfloor needs self-leveling treatment. Make sure the subfloors are level, clean, and dry. All types of subfloors require a 6 to 8 mil moisture barrier prior to installation, and the joints of the vapor barrier need to be sealed with moisture barrier tape. When installing the flooring, it is necessary to reserve an expansion gap of 8 to 10 millimeters from the wall and other objects. Place the herringbone hardwood SPC flooring in the room where you will install it for at least 24-hour acclimation. Keep the indoor temperature between 15 to 27 degrees Celsius and keep the relative humidity at 35% to 65%. Find the center point of the room and draw the center line. Let's start with the 600 by 100 millimeters herringbone hardwood SPC flooring. Assemble your first triangle. Follow the video to install 3 A planks and 3 B planks together. And mark the cutting line. Hang on to the offcuts. They may be useful at the other side of the room. Place all the completed triangles against the wall you are starting from. Connect the triangles with additional planks. Put spacers between the planks and the wall. This will ensure that your expansion joint is wide enough, 8 to 10 millimeters. Measure the X and Y at your wall corners. Measure and cut out the corner triangles. Place the cut planks against the wall. Continue laying all of the A and B planks until installation is complete.